now being loaded, set, ready for racing. Racing just is started with Don Guru. Break quick, let us start. Mr. Slim is running by the rail. Larry outside Dramatis Persona. Getting the wide strip as they make the first turn is a Flying G. Running by the rail now is Appointment. Then comes Brother Song. Then followed by Camry, while Maligalig is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch. Appointment says, why we follow deep, we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a length and a half lead. Don Guru in second, Mr. Slim. Then here comes Flying G, now moving upon the outside. Dramatis Persona, Brother Song, Camry, while Maligalig now racing in less than the fourth turn of Appointment. Don Guru is on the outside. Flying G now in third, and in fourth now is a Camry, Dramatis Persona. Then down on the inside now is Brother Song, and they are now entering the home stretch with Appointment. Don Guru, Flying G in between horses with Appointment. Don Guru is on the outside. Appointment, Don Guru now moving up on the outside, and finally it's Don Guru second, Appointment. Then comes Camry, Flying G, Dramatis Persona.
Okay, Marian Caladista, for this race number 8, your unofficial winner is entry number 6, that's Don Guru. At yan po inirendahan ni MVP Lapil. Ang masasegundo nga dyan, yung numero 1, Appointment. Tercero, numero 4, Camry. At kasunod nun yung 1A, Flying G. Pero papasok para sa inyong quartet yung numero 7, Dramatis Persona. At po munang balikan ang replay para dito sa ating race number 8.